Hey everyone, did you know you can check quality metrics on our dashboard? Let me show you how. Open any recent project and you'll see an option called Quality Metrics. Here you'll find three tabs: Annotator, Reviewer, and Client Rejected. Let's go over each one quickly after setting a date range. This section shows how each annotator is performing, including speed, quality, and accuracy. Shows the user's name and email, total files annotated by the annotator, number of files accepted with no changes, files the reviewer rejected for poor quality, files the client rejected after review, files the annotator skipped, percentage of accepted files out of total annotated. Reviewer tab. This one focuses on how reviewers are performing. Reviewer's name and email. Total files reviewed in the given range. Files accepted during review. Files marked as rejected. Files rejected by the client. Files skipped by the reviewer. Shows review accuracy based on accepted reviews. Client Rejected tab. This section helps you trace which files the client rejected and why. Unique ID of the rejected file. Annotator who worked on the file. Who checked the file. Client's reason or feedback for rejecting the file. Date the file was rejected. You can also download all this as a CSV. Try it out today and take full control of your annotation quality with Labellerr.